Today we are trolling the boat. Got the MinKota 55 pound. Kid's first time ever trolling, so we're having fun. Abel already got one. Oh, Abel's on.
Second one.
Is it on there still?
Yep, it's still on.
Tip it up a little bit. Oh, you're good.
I don't second one of the day. Let's go.
Good job, Abel.
Got the second. Oh yeah, that's a fighter. Oh yeah, bro.
Might need to switch you out.
Woo! Let's go.
Abel's killing it today.
Yep, that's my second one in like 10 or 20 minutes, probably. Got. Oh, it got him.
Ah, you lost him at the boat. Should have flipped him in the boat.
Yeah. He's a big one. He's a bacon. He's a bacon.
Is he?
Yep. He's a bacon. Oh yeah. He's a bacon like Abel's. He's a bacon like Abel, Dad.
Got a little competition. River's got his little Cleo spoon, and Abel's got his Kastmaster, I believe. Actually, I gotta look. Little Cleo versus a Kastmaster. Flip him in the boat. Oh, he got off. Oh, you guys keep losing fish at the boat.
I almost flipped one.
This little trolling motor with this Trojan battery is pretty dope, and so nice not to have to worry about mechanical stuff like you do with gas engines. I tried to take the kids out here last week and I've decided I was going electric. Stop.
Look it! Out there! See him jumping?
Yeah. You don't want to keep them out too high because that's when they usually jump off. Unbelievable. So far the Kastmaster is outdoing the little Cleo. Oh, flip him on the boat. See that? Look how close that was, dude. He was about a half a second from being free.
Oh, let's go, Kastmaster!
All right, we are trolling again. So far, what, 2 for the Kastmaster and 0 for the Cleo.
Yep. It says pineapple.
It's peach.
No, it's a pineapple.
Okay.
Like a pineapple dancing on the table.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna take a little food break, get River some more line because he don't have no line, and we're gonna get back on the road here in a bit. All right, we ate some smoked trout, some bananas. I know you're not supposed to have a banana on the boat, but we don't believe in that. And what? Now it's time to get back out, huh, Abel?
Yeah.
Oh, River, fish on, fish on. Oh, he bumped it.
Ah, I turned on it.
Oh, there you go, fish on.
Thanks, Dad.
Eat him.
I did it. First one, right?
Steer better. Heck yeah, it's your first fish today. That'll put us at number, what, 4, Abel?
No, number 5.
No, really?
Oh yeah. No, number.
Do you
Dad,
want
this is
video
number
of
4. Number 4. That is number 4.
River's first fish on.
I'm just gonna put us at number 4.
Woohoo!
He's a
Get
big.
him in the boat. Oh, there you go. Sweet.
Oh, I got one.
Got one. I'm gonna turn the motor off. I can't do everything right now. Good job, Abel.
I put us at number 5. I don't see
1, 2, 3, 4, and that's number 5.
Yeah. If I get it on here in time.
Can I get one? Oh, flip. There you go. For the record, the Kastmaster outfished the little Cleo, didn't it, Abel?
I just sharky.
So Abel wins on that, and we will try more in the future.
Sharky one.
Yeah.
It's like a wave pool.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll see you again on the next adventure.